Imagine a vibrant green smoothie that packs a powerhouse of nutrients capable of transforming your health. Moringa, often dubbed the miracle tree, holds secrets that many are just beginning to uncover. What if this leafy wonder could boost your energy, enhance your mood, and even support your immune system? As the camera zooms in on fresh moringa leaves, the vibrant color draws you in. But what exactly makes moringa so special? Is it the incredible vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants it contains? Or perhaps the fact that it has been used for centuries in traditional medicine? Picture this, a simple, delicious smoothie that easily fits into your daily routine. Just think about the benefits you could experience, blending health and flavor in one quick step. Preparing this nutrient-rich drink is easier than you might think. As we delve deeper, each ingredient will reveal its unique role in enhancing not just your health, but your overall lifestyle. So stay tuned to discover how to unleash the full potential of moringa in a way that's both tasty and energizing. Nutritional benefits of moringa. Moringa is often called a superfood for a good reason. It boasts a high concentration of essential vitamins and minerals that are crucial for overall health. For instance, it is packed with vitamins A, C, and E, known to support immune function, skin health, and overall vitality. Alongside these vitamins, moringa is rich in minerals like calcium, iron, and potassium, which help in bone health, oxygen transport in the blood, and maintaining proper muscle function. One standout feature of moringa is its antioxidant properties. Antioxidants play a vital role in neutralizing free radicals in the body, which can cause oxidative stress and lead to chronic diseases. The presence of these compounds in moringa helps protect the body from harmful environmental stressors, which can be particularly beneficial for those looking to boost overall health and longevity. Moreover, moringa is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can lead to various health issues, including heart disease and diabetes. By incorporating moringa into one's diet, individuals may experience a reduction in inflammation, contributing to better health outcomes. This makes moringa not just a supplement but a potential ally in maintaining a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Another significant advantage of moringa is its ability to improve digestion. Rich in dietary fiber, it can aid in regulating bowel movements and promoting a healthy gut. A well-functioning digestive system is essential for nutrient absorption and overall well-being. Additionally, many users of moringa report feeling more energized, which may be attributed to its nutrient density and ability to combat fatigue. In summary, moringa's nutritional profile is impressive. It offers a myriad of health benefits that can enhance daily life. From boosting energy levels to providing essential vitamins and minerals, moringa is a valuable addition to any diet, encouraging individuals to take charge of their health through nutrition. Impact on mental and emotional health. Moringa isn't just beneficial for physical health, it also has a positive impact on mental and emotional well-being. Many people report experiencing reduced stress and anxiety when incorporating moringa into their daily routine. This calming effect can be attributed to certain compounds in moringa that help balance neurotransmitters in the brain, leading to improved mood and emotional stability. Additionally, moringa may enhance cognitive function. Research suggests that the antioxidants found in moringa can protect brain cells from damage and improve memory. For students or anyone needing to focus, including moringa in their diet might provide that extra mental boost to help with concentration and information retention. It's like giving your brain a refreshing drink of nutrients that keeps it sharp and alert. Another crucial aspect is how moringa contributes to hormonal balance. Hormones play a significant role in regulating mood and emotional well-being. By supporting the endocrine system, moringa may help alleviate symptoms related to hormonal fluctuations, such as those experienced during menstrual cycles or menopause. This balance can lead to a more stable emotional state and improved quality of life. Furthermore, the combination of these mental health benefits can result in an overall sense of well-being. When stress is reduced, cognitive function is enhanced, and hormonal balance is achieved, individuals often feel a greater sense of happiness and contentment. This holistic approach to health is what makes Moringa so appealing to many people seeking natural solutions to everyday stressors. In essence, Moringa's impact on mental and emotional health is profound. By addressing stress, enhancing cognitive function, and promoting hormonal balance, Moringa serves as a powerful tool for those looking to improve their mental wellness. It's not just about physical health, it's about nurturing the mind and emotions too. How to prepare a Moringa smoothie? Preparing a Moringa smoothie is simple and can be a delicious way to incorporate this superfood into your diet. Start with the basic ingredients: fresh Moringa leaves, which are packed with nutrients, and a choice of fruits. Common options include bananas for creaminess and avocados for healthy fats. You can also add other fruits like berries or mangoes, depending on your preference. The key is to balance the flavors, so choose fruits that you enjoy. Once you've gathered your ingredients, it's time for the blending magic. Begin by washing the Moringa leaves thoroughly to remove any dirt or impurities. Then, add them to your blender along with the fruits you've selected. Next, pour in your liquid of choice, whether it's water, coconut water, or a plant-based milk like almond or oat milk. The liquid helps in blending everything smoothly and adds a nice texture to the smoothie. The next step is blending. Start on a low setting to break down the ingredients, then gradually increase the speed until everything is well combined. If the mixture is too thick, feel free to add more liquid until you reach your desired consistency. Remember, it's all about personal preference. If you like a thicker smoothie, use less liquid. For a more drinkable version, add more. For flavor enhancement, consider a few tips. Adding a squeeze of lemon juice can brighten up the taste, while a pinch of salt can help balance the sweetness. If you enjoy a bit of spice, a dash of ginger or cinnamon can make the smoothie more interesting. Don't hesitate to experiment with different combinations to find what works best for you. Lastly, think about some variations to keep your smoothie routine exciting. You can try adding different greens like spinach or kale for an extra nutrient boost. Alternatively, if you want a protein kick, consider adding Greek yogurt or a scoop of protein powder. The possibilities are endless, so have fun mixing and matching ingredients. Tips to enhance the benefits of the smoothie. To truly maximize the health benefits of your Moringa smoothie, consider incorporating other superfoods into your recipe. Ingredients like chia seeds or flax seeds are excellent additions. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, which can enhance digestion and provide sustained energy. Adding a tablespoon or two of these seeds can transform your smoothie into a powerhouse of nutrition. Another way to boost the smoothie's health benefits is by using natural sweeteners instead of refined sugars. Honey or agave syrup are great options that can add sweetness while still being healthier choices. These natural sweeteners also provide additional nutrients that processed sugars lack, making your smoothie not just tasty but also good for you. Choosing organic and fresh ingredients is crucial for maximizing the benefits of your smoothie. Organic produce tends to have fewer pesticides and chemicals, meaning you're getting more of the good stuff without unwanted additives. Fresh fruits and vegetables not only taste better but also retain more nutrients, making your smoothie a nutritious treat. If you're looking for a more tailored approach, consider your personal health goals. For instance, if you're aiming to build muscle, adding a scoop of protein powder can be beneficial. On the other hand, if you're focusing on weight loss, keeping your ingredients low in calories while still nutrient-dense is key. Always think about what aligns best with your dietary goals. Lastly, don't shy away from experimenting with your smoothie recipes. The beauty of smoothies is that they can be tailored to your taste buds and health needs. Try different combinations of fruits, vegetables, and superfoods to see what you enjoy the most. This will not only keep your smoothies exciting but also ensure you're getting a variety of nutrients. Possible side effects and precautions. When incorporating Moringa into your diet, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects and precautions. Moringa is generally deemed safe for most people, but specific groups should exercise caution. Pregnant and breastfeeding women, for example, are advised to consult with a healthcare provider before using Moringa supplements or extracts. Certain compounds in Moringa could have effects that may be harmful during pregnancy or lactation. Another critical aspect to consider is the interaction of Moringa with various medications. Moringa may affect the metabolism of certain drugs, which could either enhance or diminish their effectiveness. For example, if someone is taking medication for diabetes, combining it with Moringa could lead to unexpectedly low blood sugar levels. Therefore, it's important for anyone on medication to consult with their doctor before adding Moringa to their routine. Starting with small amounts of Moringa is advisable for anyone new to it. This cautious approach allows individuals to assess their body's tolerance and reaction to it. By beginning with a small serving, one can monitor for any adverse reactions such as digestive issues or allergic responses. Gradually increasing the amount can help in determining the optimal dosage for personal health needs. Lastly, it's crucial to research the source of Moringa products. Some supplements may contain additives or contaminants that could pose additional risks. Opting for high-quality, organic Moringa products can reduce the risk of consuming harmful substances. Being informed and cautious will ensure that you can enjoy the benefits of Moringa while minimizing potential risks.